Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today's video is all about how to transfer USDT from overview to funding in 2025. If you're holding USDT and need to move it quickly for trading or withdrawals, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, but transferring it between sections like overview and funding can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry, we'll make it simple and straightforward. First things first, make sure you're logged into your crypto exchange or wallet platform. Once you're in, navigate to the overview dashboard. This is usually the main page where you can see your asset balances, including your USDT. Look for your USDT holdings. It's often listed under your total assets or a specific tab. Next, find the transfer option. This might be a button labeled Transfer, Move Funds, or something similar. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the source and destination. Choose Overview as the source wallet. Now, select Funding as the destination. This is typically where your funds go for trading, deposits, or withdrawals. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're sure, hit the Confirm button. You might see a confirmation screen or even a small fee detail. Review it carefully. After confirmation, wait a few seconds or minutes for the transfer to process. Head over to the funding section to verify that your USDT has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. This process is designed to be user-friendly, especially with platforms updating for 2025 security standards. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your USDT. Remember, always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and keeping your account details private. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.